name is Malikhatun Nisa, student ID number A1A025121. Today, I'm going to present my Agribisnis visual literary text, which focused on the comprehensive analysis of the chili commodity. As we all know, chili is an exceptionally important horticultural commodity in Indonesia. It is primarily because it has incredibly high customer demand, making it a significant contributor on our national agricultural economy. Because it has massive influence, maintaining production stability is absolutely crucial, as any shift in supply directly affects market price. Why is chili important? To understand why chili holds such a vital position, we can look at their interconnected dimension. Economic, customer, and agribusiness important. Economically, chili served as a primary source of income for many farmers and heavily support local agricultural market. For customers, it is a staple with a high household demand and acts as an essential ingredient in the food processing industry. From an agribusiness standpoint, this commodity spans multiple sectors and demand highly effective supply chain management because its production stability ultimately determines market price and customer purchasing power. To understand how this commodity moved from to customer, we can examine its supply chain structure. This quest begins in the upstream sector, where essential agricultural inputs such as high-quality seed, fertilizer, and farming tools are meticulously prepared. This is followed by the on-farm cultivation process where the farmer carrying out day-to-day activities like planting, irrigation, fertilization, pest control, and harvesting. Once harvested, the chili production transition into the downstream sector, which encompasses sorting, packaging, distribution, and retail sale. This continuous progress highlights the strong interconnection between field production effectively and eventual market availability. Now let us examine the data regarding Indonesian chili production trend over a 5-year period from the 2019 to 2023. Looking at the chart, we can see the production show a fluctuating trend. In 2019, production started at 2.51 million tons, increasing steadily through 2020 at 2.77 million tons, and reaching its highest peak in 2021 at the point 2.91 million tons. However, we noticed a significant decline in 2022 where production dropped at 2.63 million tons before finally showing a positive recovery in 2023, bouncing back to 2.85 million tons. Based on the graph, we can see that chili production in Indonesia fluctuated from 2019 to 2023. Production increased steadily and reached its highest point in 2021. However, there was decline in 2022 before production recovered again in 2023. This fluctuation was likely fluctuated by several factors, such as unfavorable weather conditions, pest attack, rising fertilizer price, and distribution challenge. These factors directly affected the level of chili production during this period. In my analysis, the fluctuation in chili production showed that the chili supply chain is still vulnerable to environmental and economic challenges. To improve long-term production stability, several strategies are needed, these including adopting modern agricultural technology, improving irrigation systems, strengthening pest management, and enhancing logistic efficiency. In addition, farmer training programs are also important to improve productivity and support a more stable market supply. Conclusion: Chile agribusiness consists of interconnected stages from upstream to downstream activities. Production trends significantly influence market stability and customer price. Effective supply chain management, technological innovation, and climate adaptation are necessary to support sustainable chili production in Indonesia.